Now we create another worksheet, okay, income statement data, okay, and we're going to populate this. Here I'm going to paste some value here. I click on insert table, insert, not format, but insert, and my table has headers. Here we are. Okay, we have this table now. Okay, but originally there were some formulas. We can also copy the formula as it is, and it's already copied as a formula. I can also spend some time to adjust this if you want. Okay, then all these format cells, now the table is so created that the header is substituted when you're scrolling with the header of the table. Okay, then we need historical data, so we're going to, I want to copy this automatically. Move or copy. This historical data. Okay, here we are. So we imported, here we have some data. Now that we imported this data, we're going to do some calculations. Okay, we're going to insert some pivot tables.